What's What's up, YouTube? I was having some trouble with the finger thing, but anyway. Today's video is going to be very simple. Rocket blowers, cleaning your sensor, those things. As you may be aware, I did do a poll of what type of blowers do you guys actually use in regards to cleaning your sensor. Do you use the cheap Amazon combo kit things, which is what I've been using? It came with like a cleaning cloth, a pen, and this bulb blower thing, which, I mean, I thought it was good. I mean, you can hear it, right? So it's not too bad. However, are these just as good, or are they inferior to either the venerable rocket blower, which is very popular? However, I have noticed that there are some knockoffs, or the newer style filtered blowers. So I actually purchased a VSGO short nozzle filter blower. Throw the thing in the thing. Okay. And this is actually, I mean, it's got very good reviews. It won a Red Dot Award for design and all this stuff. And it's got like a filter thing on it. And I'm trying to open it here. There we go. Oh, wow. The nozzle is extremely short. Oh, and it's made out of silicone. Oh, that's good. So even if you do accidentally hit the sensor, you won't actually damage it. So here is the El Cheapo that I had purchased before. And this is the new VSGO. Look how short the nozzle is on the VSGO. I mean, this is tiny, absolutely tiny. And this is hard plastic. Hard plastic. And this is completely flexible. It's all silicone. And then this is a replaceable filter. Oh, and this is actually nicer to control when you're squeezing. See, this one, as you squeeze, you see the nozzle is bending. It's turning over, right? So it's not as accurate. And blowing on myself, they seem to be about the same amount of pressure. Actually, no, I take that back. So we're going to do a quick experiment. I've stacked a whole whack of napkins. We're going to take this blower and see what happens, and we're going to take this blower and see what happens, because at the end of the day, it all comes down to the volume of air that these can actually push out. That's what matters. That's what's going to blow the dust off your sensor. So is the El Cheapo version as good as a slightly more expensive, decent quality, highly reviewed, newest filtered, Red Dot awarded version? That's what we're going to find out. So first up we have the El Cheapo, and I'm just setting this up here right at the edge, and you can see the rotation of the napkin as it floats across the table. Now we're going to actually try the VSGO, which seems to have a much more focused air outlet area, and there you go. It was able to actually lift the napkins right off the table. And we'll try this again, more in the center of the napkins here. And there seems to be a fair amount of pressure, just to get the napkins to fly across the table in a straight line. Now we'll go with the VSGO, and the rate of acceleration seems to be higher. And I think that's due to the fact that the nozzle itself has a smaller outlet, so it's building up more pressure. It's more concentrated air, and the control, because it's a shorter nozzle, it actually throws the air straight. So at the end of the day, on the surface, it doesn't seem that there is much of a difference between these two. However, the VSGO is more comfortable to hold, and you get more stable flow of air in regards to the direction of where the air is blowing from. As I showed before with the El Cheapo version, when you squeeze the bulb, the nozzle is actually moving to the left or to the right, depending on how your grip is actually holding it. plus the fact that there's cleaner air coming out of the VSGO due to the filter system. And there are others that do have the filter as well. However, the one advantage this does have is to protect the sensor from scratches by using a soft silicone nozzle. That's it for this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. It always helps out. And if you want to support the channel, that info is at the bottom of the description. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and you will see me on my next video. I'm out.